I just had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body.
Hey guys, so today is Monday. Pardon my voice, I am sick. I was sick this whole week, so I wanted to look cute. My earrings are from Charlotte Bruce. They're just in a pack. I'm wearing my gold Cartier ring. My nails are gel nails and my thumb peeled off the day before. I'm wearing my Capricorn necklace and I got that from Francesca's. My shirt is from Target. My hair was straight. I wore my hair straight all week this week. It was from like 2 or 3 years ago, the shirt, and then my jeans are from Gap. They're just white jeans, and I was really happy. My shoes are from DSW, and that was all for Monday. Now for Tuesday, I wore a cute little neutral look. I had no jewelry on that day. I peeled off my nails. I feel kind of bad. My makeup was natural. I wore no earrings that day as well. I forgot to do so. My hair is just in a side part ponytail. I'm wearing my Michigan State sweatshirt and some medium wash American Eagle jeans. They're not Abercrombie, I'm sorry. And it was cold outside, so I wore my big North Face parka, which you'll see in a second. And my shoes are just the Nummo Uggs, the boy Uggs as everybody calls them, but they're really cute. And that was all for Tuesday. Now for Wednesday, it was Valentine's Day, so I wore pink. My hair was down. I felt so girly this day. So girly. I felt so girly this day. I loved it. I did a cut crease with some glitter for my makeup. It was kind of a really good day. I really loved my makeup. I wore pearls in my ears. I wore my Cartier love ring, and I did my nails the night before in black. I wore my Apple Watch, surprisingly. And my shirt is from Victoria's Secret pink. I got it during the semi-annual sale. And my jeans are from Old Navy, but I did the rips myself. So if you guys want to see a video on that, let me know. My socks are from Walmart. My friend got them for Christmas. And I'm wearing my Nummo Uggs. And that was all for Wednesday. Now for Thursday, I went kind of simple. Eye makeup was very simple, just a wing and some mascara and my brows. I wore my pearls and I wore my my Pandora ring, my Cartier ring. My Pandora bracelet has made its appearance once again. It was in my purse somewhere, and my Apple Watch. I'm also wearing the same black nails. It's Blackie O by Sally Henson, if anyone was wondering. My scarf is from Target. It's just a blanket scarf. My long sleeve shirt is from Brandy Melville, and I'm wearing the same ripped jeans as the day before. And my shoes are the same shoes as the day before. And that was all for Thursday. And now Friday, the last day of the week, my beautiful half day. I wore my scarf from Betsy Johnson. A Nike headband was tied in my hair. I wore no makeup. It was a barefaced day because I did not care. My pearl earrings were in my ears. I'm wearing the same rings as before, and I'm wearing my Apple Watch. And my shirt is just a senior shirt from Jostens. It's the senior shirt that everyone gets in the package. My jean jacket is from Old Navy, and my leggings are fleece leggings from Move Society. They go with my dance jacket, and I'm wearing my short chestnut Minnetonkas. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Bye!
What?